Hey YouTube, today we are going to discuss on Ajax. In fact, it's going to be a series of tutorial giving a basic overview on Ajax to a more intermediate tutorials. Okay, Ajax is basically a way of asynchronously sending and retrieving data from the server without reloading or refreshing a page. So this is a way of sending or retrieving data without affecting the experience of the user. Basic example of Ajax is usually in the chat boxes. Okay, let's begin. What you can see is a basic HTML skeleton, and I've included bootstrap styling and also a link to the jQuery CDN. We are going to use the jQuery library to integrate Ajax in our project. So that we start by creating a script tags. Okay. Okay, that's document.ready function. It's used to run. It's used to ensure that this code only runs when the entire document has been loaded. Now Now, when you click this button with an ID of btn Ajax, we want to run the Ajax functions. Now, we will, in this tutorial, we are going to use the load function. Okay, we are going. Let me explain the load function, how it works. This section contains the target div where the data will be loaded into when this function is triggered. Inside here, we are going to give a URL to a certain data, or it can basically be a path to a file that contains some data that we want to load into our file. So in this case, I had already created a test data.txt, a text file with some data inside, as you can see. So we will load this file dot test data.txt. Okay. Now let me explain this project. When we click this button, it will trigger the load function, which is an Ajax library. As you can see, in this explanation, that will load data in this target div from this file here. hope that it's understandable. Now let's reload. Let's click. Yeah, as you can see, just now. Now in the next tutorial we are going to discuss on the callback function. Thank you.